Damaged kidney repair diet. Number 1. Cow's milk can be a part of a balanced diet, but if you have kidney issues, it's important to consider a few things. Protein. Cow's milk is a source of protein, which is generally good but needs to be managed carefully if you have kidney problems. Too much protein can put extra strain on your kidneys. Number 2. Rice pudding can be a good option for people with kidney issues, especially if it's made with ingredients that are low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium. Number 3. Oatmeal can be a good choice for those with kidney issues, but there are a few things to consider. Fiber. Oatmeal is high in soluble fiber, which can help manage cholesterol levels and support overall heart health, which is beneficial for kidney health.
Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.